Okay, let's start our class. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the course of Discrete Mathematics and Structures. Today we are going to discuss about the normal forms that are very important in a first unit. Okay, normal forms are very important in a first unit. Let's see this. Okay, let's discuss the normal forms. So normal forms are of four types. First one is disjective normal form. Second one is a conjective normal form. Third one is principal disjective normal form. The fourth one is principal conjective normal form. Okay, so these four normal forms are very important normal forms, and these are all the important topic in your first unit. Okay, so simply we are going to call this as a DNF, CNF, PDNF, PCNF. Okay, so first of all, before going to all this DNF, CNF, PDNF, PCNF, we'll go to what is a normal form. We'll let know what is a normal form. Okay, let's see what is a normal form. If a given statement formula capital A that contain P1, P2, P3 and so on till Pn involves n atomic variables. So for example, we are going to take a statement formula that contain a number of variables, that is P1, P2, P3 and so on. Like మనం ఇప్పుడు వరకు చేసింది 2 చేసాం లేదైతే 3 చేసాం. One is PQ. Okay, P and Q, P implies Q, P is P or Q, and ఇంకా మహా అయితే మనం we are going to deal with the 3 variables P, Q, R. P implies Q and R, so like that. Okay, if you have a variables more than that, like P, Q, R, S, T, okay, P, Q, R, S, A, B, so these kind of variables, ఇలా మనకి variables పెరిగే కొద్దీ మనకి difficulty అనేది పెరిగిపోతుంది. Okay, so for that we are going to get 2 power n possible combinations. Like ఇక్కడ నేను 2 అని ఎందుకు అన్నానంటే నాకు ప్రతి ఒక్క వేరియబుల్ కి నాకు 2 possibilities ఉంటాయి. One is true, another second one is false. Either the variable may be true or false. Okay, 2 ఉంటాయి. సో అక్కడ నాకు ఎన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ వాడిస్తే అన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ కి నాకు 2 power n possibles ఉంటాయి. Okay, so it will be very difficult to deal with such kind of a formulas. Okay, so to deal with such kind of a formulas, we are going to make them as a normal forms. Okay, I have a n atomic variables. If I have a n atomic variables, so for that I need to construct a truth table. It will be very difficult. Okay, for that I'm going to convert them into a normal forms, and then I'm going to construct a truth table for that. It will be very easy for me. Okay, so first of all, see this. The formula capital A is a tautology. The formula capital A, ఇక్కడ నాకు capital A లో ఎన్ని number of variables ఉన్నాయి, n number of variables ఉన్నాయి. Okay, For example, నేను ఈ capital A ని tautology అని నేను చెప్పాలి అంటే, if my formula capital A is a tautology, if the A has a truth value true for all possible assignments of the truth values to the variables P1, P2 and so on till Pn. నాకు P1 నుంచి P2, P3, P4 and so on Pn వరకు ఎలాంటి కాంబినేషన్స్ లో నేను ఫార్ములాస్ డిజైన్ చేసినా నాకు అల్టిమేట్లీ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ a last statement as a true values. అన్ని ట్రూ వాల్యూస్ వస్తే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టెల్ దట్ a formula capital A is a tautology. Okay, that we already know. And if the values will be false, then what we are going to call those values? What we are going to call those formula? Yes, anyone? So if it is all the values are true, then I can call it as a tautology. If all the values are false, what am I going to call?
Contradiction.
Yes, contradiction.
Contradiction.
Yes, contradiction. A is called a contradiction if capital A has a truth value false for all assignments of the truth values of n variables. Like if I have the variables P1, P2, P3 and so on till Pn, for all these combinations I'm going to get, if I'm going to get a false, then I'm going to tell that it is a contradiction. Okay, so next is satisfiable. A is said to be satisfiable if capital A has a truth value true for at least one combination. Okay, so if I'm going to have a variables like P1, P2, P3 and so on till Pn, just a minute, there was a problem in my network. Just a minute. Okay, there was a problem in my camera. I'm going to proceed with this. Okay, screen sharing. Okay, please be cooperate. Am I audible to you people? Please reply, anyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, A is said to be a satisfiable if capital A has a truth value true for at least one combination. So if I'm going to take a combination of this variables, okay, any combination. So for that combination, at least if I'm going to get one true value, okay, one true value, then I'm going to tell that it is a satisfiable. Okay, next, the problem of determining whether a given statement formula is a tautology or a contradiction. ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం అంటే ఇచ్చిన ఫార్ములా అది tautology అవుతుందా, contradiction అవుతుందా? సో రెండిట్లోని మనం ఏదవుతుందని చెప్పడమే దాన్ని డెసిషన్ ప్రాబ్లం అని చెప్తామండి. Okay, the problem of determining whether a given statement formula is either a tautology or a contradiction is called a decision problem. We are going to call that problem as a decision problem. Okay, so the construction of a truth table involves a finite number of steps, but the construction may not be a practical. Okay, so construction అనేది మనం చేయొచ్చండి finite number of steps తో. మీరు already perform చేశారు, like P implies Q. Have you done the P implies Q? ట్రూత్ టేబుల్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేశారు p implies q కి. అలాగా స్మాల్ ఫార్ములాస్ కి మీరు ట్రూత్ టేబుల్స్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేశారు. అదే ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ యూ అ లార్జ్ ఫార్ములా with 4 variables p q r s, if I am going to give you p q r s, నేను 4 variables ఇచ్చాను. Is it easy to construct a truth table for that? Yes or no? No, it won't be possible. It won't be possible, I think. Okay, so the similar way I'm going to increase the variables like p q r s x y, అలా నేను వేరియబుల్స్ ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసేసి అనుకోండి. If I am going to increase those variables, is it easy to construct a truth table? Is it practically possible? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, it is not possible. మనం రెండింటితోనే కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయడం, మూడింటితో కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయడమే కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. Am I right or wrong? PQ 2 వేరియబుల్స్ తీసుకుంటే మనం ఈజీగానే కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. అలాగే 3 వేరియబుల్స్ వరకు మనం ఈజీగానే కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. Coming to the 4 variables, if I am going to get a 4 variables, going to take a 4 variables, it will be little bit difficult to construct the truth table for that. So for that we are going to change that into the normal forms. Okay, we therefore reduce the given statement formula to the normal forms. అలాంటి వీటికి నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే I am going to reduce those formulas into our normal forms. Okay, is it clear? Problem అందరికీ అర్థమైందా అండి? I need to know whether the problem is clear to everyone. Reply from your side. Yes. Roll number 24. Roll number 24. Roll number 24. CR. CR. Yes. I didn't getting your voice. I didn't getting got your voice.
Sir.
So is it clear? The problem is okay? So మీకు ప్రాబ్లం అర్థమైందమ్మా?
Sir, మీ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్.
బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది. Okay, okay. Just a minute. Give me a minute.
Okay.
Give me a minute. Give me a minute.